any plants in the U.S. that the Union of Concerned Scientists think ought to be shut down?
Well, Diablo Canyon and Oconee would be strong candidates, yes. Because they're unsafe. Other than that, we wouldn't have a problem.
And Diablo Canyon, because it's on a earthquake fault?
No, the fact that it doesn't meet fire protection regulations for a minute that it's ever operated gives us a little cause of concern.
This is the one run by the company just indicted for criminal things for something else, right? Okay. And why does the Nuclear Regulatory Commission allow that to continue operating?
That's a good question because Diablo Canyon is not alone. Roughly half the plants in the United States don't meet fire protection regulations that were adopted because of a fire in 1975 at the Browns Ferry plant. Among the reactors that don't meet the fire protection regulations are the 3 reactors at Browns Ferry that's the poster child for that near miss. I don't know why the Nuclear Regulatory Commission chooses not to enforce its regulations.
Peterson, is the Nuclear Regulatory Commission captured by industry? A lapdog more than a watchdog?
The Nuclear Regulatory Commission has to interact with the industry in a way that the best way to describe it is that when you operate a nuclear plant, the most important thing is to make sure that everybody who works at the plant is willing to report problems. This is what we would call a strong safety culture. There is this natural tendency to want to punish any mistake, no matter how minor, which in the end can end up causing you to not report mistakes. So there's a societal contract that we have when we use technologies like nuclear energy or spacecraft or biotech, which is that we have to encourage the reporting of problems and at minor levels so that they get fixed. And this, I think, is an area where significant improvement has been made in terms of culture, and it would be great if we could see the same thing within our medical system. If you think about a place where there's disincentives to report any kind of problem, and we have a lot of mistakes made because of it. When it comes to compliance with regulations such as those for fire protection, I think that the NRC has concluded that plants have taken compensatory measures which it judges to be adequate. This said, it would be much better if we could move to having all the plants in full compliance with fire protection. And in fact, this is one of the reasons why we should probably be moving towards the risk-informed approach for fire protection, which has been implemented by some, but maybe not all of the plants.
Well, the new regulations were adopted in 2004, a decade ago, are risk-informed, and they don't meet those either. So,
how much would it cost to be fire compliant? I mean, is this
$40 million at Diablo Canyon is the estimate by the company.